Welcome to the Clever Wallet. Today I want to share the money lesson I wish someone had sat me down and told me 20 years earlier. If I had understood this one simple idea, I would have saved myself stress, debt, and years of financial frustration. And the lesson is this: your future depends far more on your habits than your income. Let me explain. When I was younger, I thought the key to getting ahead was making more money. A bigger paycheck, a better job, more opportunities. But here's the truth I learned the hard way. If your habits don't change, your income never makes a difference. I knew people making $30,000 a year who had savings, and people making six figures who were drowning in debt. And one day it hit me, the difference wasn't the money. It was the habits behind the money. When I earned more, I spent more. When I got raises, I upgraded my life instead of securing my future. Bills grew with income. Lifestyle grew with income. But my savings, my security, my peace of mind, those stayed exactly the same. I didn't have a money problem, I had a habit problem. And until that changed, nothing else did. Here's what I wish someone told me. Wealth isn't built by how much you earn, it's built by what you consistently do with what you earn. Habits like setting aside money before you spend, tracking where your money actually goes, planning big purchases instead of reacting, avoiding lifestyle creep, building small systems that run automatically. You don't need more money to start. You just need to start with the money you have. Once I fixed the habits, everything else finally clicked. Saving became natural. Debt stopped controlling me. And money became less of a constant worry. So if I could put my arm around my younger self, I'd say, don't wait for more money to build better habits. Build the habits now and the money will follow. If this hit home for you today, you're not alone and you're not behind. You're starting exactly where you are, which is all you ever need. And if you want the tools, templates, and systems to make those habits easier, check out the Clever Wallet, where the goal is simple. Time is money, save both. Thanks for stopping. See you next time.